Welcome back, Year 5. Today we're going to be looking at sexual reproduction in plants. Stop laughing. When we say sexual reproduction in plants, we're just talking about how they make new plants. And believe it or not, plants can be boys or girls. It sounds silly, but it's true. Today we have 3 learning intentions, and they are 1. To identify the male and female parts of a flower. Like I said, they can be boys or girls. Then, number 2, we're going to explain the difference between perfect and imperfect flowers. And number 3, we're going to describe the cause and effect of pollination. You've probably heard that word before. Today you're going to be learning a bit more about what it means. Now, since I'm a little bit limited in what I can show you from my screen, I've selected another YouTube video that does an excellent job of explaining the parts of a flower and the basics of pollination. It's from the Dr. Binocs Show. We've seen a couple of their episodes at school before. So just like last week, you're going to click on the link to watch this video. It's only about 4 minutes long, I think, a little less than 4 minutes. I'll put the link in the description below so you can find it easily. It's called Parts of a Flower and Pollination, the Dr. Binocs Show. When you're done watching the video, you're going to have 2 assignments. This is what they look like. I'm going to show you them one at a time in a moment, but I just want you to see before the video goes any further that you do have 2 parts to the assignment today. The first assignment is called Pollination and Color. After watching the video, you should have found all the parts of a flower. So you'll use what you've learned from the video and label these parts. Now you might be asking me, Miss, how do I do that? This is on a computer screen. Well, you have a couple choices. You can either try and draw the flower freehand in your notebook and label it that way, or you can pause the video and take a screenshot of this and then print it out. Or if you want, you can even take a screenshot of it, label it on your computer, and then email it to me. It's your choice. Once you've labeled the parts of the flower, you'll have 3 questions to answer that are based on the video. Number 1, what makes a perfect flower different from an imperfect flower? Number 2, how do insects like bees help with pollination? And number 3, after pollination and germination, a blank is formed in the ovary of the flower. For number 3, all you have to do is copy it and fill in the blank. It's not actually a question. And of course, when you're done, take a picture of your work and send it to me. Or, since you probably did your writing lesson today, you know you have an email address, you know how to send a professional email, you can email your work to me yourself. Oh, and before I forget, this is due on Friday. Not tonight, it's not due on Wednesday or Thursday, it's due on Friday. Alright, you know the drill. Stay safe and I'll see you soon.